How to use Dropship.io. In dropshipping, success often comes down to one key factor: finding the right products. Many entrepreneurs spend hours browsing marketplaces, guessing trends, or trying to reverse engineer competitor strategies. But this guesswork can quickly lead to wasted time and money. That's where Dropship.io comes in. Dropship.io is a powerful product research and competitor analysis platform designed specifically for dropshippers and e-commerce entrepreneurs. Instead of relying on trial and error, it gives you real data, helping you identify winning products, track competitors, and make smarter decisions to grow your business. In this video, we'll go through the key features and benefits of Dropship.io, explain why it's such a strong tool for 2025, and show you how it can help optimize your dropshipping business. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the product database with real time analytics. Dropship.io gives you access to a massive product database that's updated constantly. You can filter by niche, price, order volume, or growth trends to instantly see what products are gaining traction. Unlike guesswork, you're using data backed insights to choose products with actual demand. Instead of wasting money testing random items, you can focus on products that already show signs of success, increasing your chances of profitability. Another key feature is the competitor store analysis. One of Dropship.io's standout features is competitor tracking. You can enter any Shopify store URL and instantly see what products they are selling, how they are pricing, and which items are trending in their store. This gives you an inside look at what's working for other dropshippers. You no longer have to guess what your competitors are doing. With this intelligence, you can spot gaps in the market, adjust your pricing, or even beat them to new product opportunities. Another key feature is the sales tracking and product performance data. Dropship.io provides detailed performance data for products such as estimated monthly sales, revenue trends, and demand patterns. This makes it easy to spot whether a product is just a short term fad or something that has steady long term demand. By choosing products with consistent performance, you reduce risk and build a more sustainable business. It helps you avoid chasing one hit wonders that fade away in a few weeks. Another key feature is the winning products finder. Dropship.io has a dedicated section that highlights winning products. These are items already performing strongly in the market, curated from their real time data. Instead of spending weeks hunting for that one golden product, the platform brings them directly to you. You save hours of research time and can focus on launching proven products faster, giving you a competitive advantage in a fast moving drop shipping market. Another key feature is the keyword and ad intelligence tools. Beyond just finding products, Dropship.io also helps with optimization. Their keyword research shows you what shoppers are searching for, while ad analysis tools reveal how competitors are marketing those products. This gives you a blueprint for not only what to sell, but also how to sell it effectively. By combining product insights with marketing intelligence, you increase your chances of running profitable ad campaigns and scaling faster. So, why is Dropship.io a great choice? The biggest reason is that dropshipping has become more competitive than ever. Without the right data, you're left guessing, and that can get expensive. Dropship.io takes the guesswork out of product research by giving you reliable, actionable insights. Another reason is efficiency. Instead of using five different tools for product research, competitor analysis, and ad intelligence, Dropship.io brings everything together in one place. That saves time and simplifies your workflow, letting you focus more on growing your business and less on endless research. Finally, it's beginner friendly but powerful enough for advanced dropshippers. Whether you're just starting out and need guidance on finding your first winning product, or you're already running multiple stores and want to optimize performance, Dropship.io adapts to your needs. So basically, Dropship.io is more than just a research tool. It's a complete solution for building and scaling a profitable dropshipping business. From finding winning products and analyzing competitors to tracking sales trends and optimizing marketing, it gives you the insights you need to make smart, data driven decisions. If you ever struggled with product selection or wasted money testing ideas that didn't work, Dropship.io can save you time, money, and frustration. By relying on real data instead of guesswork, you put yourself in a much stronger position to succeed in 2025's competitive e commerce landscape. So, whether you're launching your very first store or looking to scale an existing dropshipping business, Dropship.io is a tool that can help you stay ahead of the competition and maximize your profits. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.